Creative and unique spicing are what define Moroccan cuisine, and we'll use those techniques today to make a Moroccan spiced chicken. And I'll start with the sauce first by adding into a heated saucepan some freshly squeezed orange juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, about a tablespoon of honey, and some red pepper flakes. Now I'll stir all the ingredients with a cinnamon stick and then just let the cinnamon stick infuse into the sauce. Now I cut up some boneless, skinless chicken breasts into strips, and I coated them with a mixture of paprika, cumin, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now I'm in my grill pan, and I'll grill them for about 2 minutes or so on each side. Now the chicken's on a platter covered with foil to keep warm, and now we'll finish the sauce. First thing I'll do is I'll strain the solids out and put that liquid back into the pan, and then add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt and then spoon it over the chicken just before serving. Now I'm going to spoon this delicious sauce all over the chicken. The aromas are just fantastic. And I've garnished with some lemon and parsley just to complete the picture. And you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website address shown on your screen and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks so much for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Come back and see me next time.